हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बर्नालिस किचन। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं आटे की पूरी। सबको पता ही है कैसे बनाते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने बनाया है, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि एक वीडियो करके चैनल में अपलोड करें। स्टार्ट करते हैं। दिस इज माय आटा डो। I just mix it with water and little bit of salt, and this is uh, whole wet atta flour, and now I'm going to make it small balls and I'm going to roll it now. See how nicely puffed up. Yes, this is very nicely puffed up, and to take out from the hot oil, and again going to the next puri into the hot oil. Yes, very nicely puffed up. This is done. Here is my very nice puffed up puris, and here is my last one. Very nice. Here is my all the puris are done and it's ready to serve. You can have this with any kind of curry or chicken, mutton, or any veg curry, or even sweet or curd. This is very easy recipe for every Indian. So I hope you love it. If you love this, then please like, share, comment करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।